Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at ChicnScratch. My video today is a recap of the 12 days of Christmas. So we're going to start with day one. This is the project that I made. And of course, all of these videos are on my blog and on YouTube. So this was the Magic Reindeer food. The PDF for the poem and for the instructions is over on my website. So that's day one. Day two was this tea bag holder. Isn't it cute? Okay, so then day three, that was a gift card holder. And you slide the belly band off and your gift card slides in there. Okay, so day four is the snowman soup. And again, the poem is over on my website along with the instruction sheet. Day five was this triangle box. I think that was the most popular of all 12. Day six was the chick stand box. Day seven was a smaller version of the triangle box. Day 8 was these notepad wallets. Let's see, day 9 was this tall gift box. Day 10 was this gift box, and I have two versions. I think a lot of people really liked the white version. Okay, and then day 9 was this gift bag. Or day 11. I misspoke there. And then day 12 was this squeeze top gift box. Super cute, right? Which was your favorite? Okay, so it's been a fabulous 12-day series. You guys have been so kind. I've loved all the projects, and you guys have been really fantastic. So I'm looking forward to sharing some Valentine projects next, some spring projects, and some birthday projects. The mini catalog has all of those items in it. Okay, so if you guys need anything, let me know. Happy holidays, and thanks again.